Hello everyone, the VNet 2.0 platform is about to launch a new feature, maintenance. Let's take a sneak peek together. As is well known, the stable operation of equipment is the cornerstone of efficient production for enterprises. But how can we ensure that equipment is always in optimal condition? How can we reduce maintenance costs and the risk of downtime? VNet's maintenance feature is the answer to these questions, which consists of three parts: plan management, repair management, and maintenance tickets. It fully covers the entire process of equipment maintenance. Plan management is one of the core features. It allows for the customization of maintenance plans tailored to the equipment. With just a few steps, you can easily create a maintenance plan. Simply select the corresponding account or sub-account information, choose the trigger type, configure the trigger conditions, and select the equipment scheduled for maintenance. Meanwhile, we offer three flexible trigger types: time trigger, alarm trigger, and tag value trigger. Time-triggered maintenance plans are suitable for regular equipment inspections or upkeep, such as at fixed times weekly or monthly. Tag value-triggered plans are suitable for real-time monitoring of equipment data, automatically initiating maintenance when the value reaches the set condition. The alarm-triggered plan generates a maintenance ticket immediately when the equipment alarms, ensuring timely problem resolution. Next, I will use a manually created ticket as an example to show you how the maintenance function makes the equipment fault handling process efficient, transparent, and traceable. User A, acting as an administrator, creates and dispatches the ticket. Users B and User C, acting as maintenance personnel, process the ticket and log the record. When equipment fails, user opens the maintenance, clicks the option in the top right corner of the repair management interface to create a ticket, and fills in the reporter's information and fault description. Supports uploading images to help maintenance personnel locate the issue faster. Click OK to complete the creation of the ticket. Then click Dispatch Ticket, select and fill in the maintenance personnel's information, and assign the ticket to the corresponding maintenance personnel. Please note that if the maintenance personnel use a sub-account, ensure they are granted the relevant permissions for maintenance. The maintenance personnel can then see the ticket in his account and view the details after accepting the ticket. The maintenance personnel can click Handle to process the ticket, fill in the process description, and upload a process image. Click the ticket number to view the process records. The progress can be updated at any time while the ticket is being handled. Click Transfer to hand over the ticket to other personnel for further follow-up. After the fault is resolved, click Complete to close the ticket. The above is the complete operation process of the maintenance function. Thank you for watching.